The RedMagic 10 Pro is the latest offering from Nubia's gaming-focused lineup. Built for gamers, it blends cutting-edge hardware with advanced cooling technology, ensuring top-tier performance, design, and build. The RedMagic 10 Pro retains the series' distinctive gaming aesthetics with RGB lighting, angular design elements, and a robust metal glass build. It offers a 1.5K AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Its inbuilt 520Hz shoulder triggers enhance gameplay by providing tactile feedback for competitive games. Performance: the device is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. These components deliver lightning-fast processing and multitasking capabilities. Benchmarks show impressive results: Antutu score, 3.1 million, Geekbench 6, single-core, 3234, multi-core, 10,059. Gaming performance is exceptional, with titles like Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail running smoothly at maximum settings. The Adreno GPU supports ray tracing and variable rate shading. Cooling system: RedMagic introduces a groundbreaking cooling solution with liquid metal technology and a 23,000 RPM centrifugal fan. These innovations keep temperatures low, even during extended gaming sessions. The phone also features a 10-layer cooling system with a 3D vapor chamber camera system. While cameras aren't the primary focus, the RedMagic 10 Pro doesn't compromise. It offers a dual 50MP rear camera setup with optical image stabilization (OIS). The quality is sufficient for casual photography, with AI features like magic removal adding creativity to shots. Battery and charging: a massive 7,050 mAh battery powers the device, supporting 65W fast charging. This ensures marathon gaming sessions without frequent interruptions. Overall, the RedMagic 10 Pro sets a new standard for gaming smartphones with its unparalleled performance, innovative cooling, and gamer-centric features. Thank you so much.